everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your 30 something beauty lover wanting to make videos for other 30 somethings who like beauty here on YouTube. So thank you for coming. If you haven't been here before, thanks for stopping by. Today we are talking about the Too Faced Boss Lady Boss, I can't remember what it was called, Beauty Agenda. This was from the Too Faced holiday set, and every month they have a tutorial in the calendar that came with it. And today we are doing March. So, using the palette that came in it, this beautiful thing right here. Fun fact, I started doing this video yesterday and got halfway through it and realized, oh, the microphone's not on. No one can hear me. So this is round 2. One quick thing before, I'm looking for the page. It's April. Oh my gosh, why can't I do this? Okay, one quick thing. As we've learned from before, I will not be looking at the picture because the picture is always wrong. We are just going to follow the words. Although sometimes, go watch February, the words are sometimes wrong too. So first it says highlight brow bone with marshmallowed. Marshmallowed is this just nice beige matte color, not super shimmery like last year. Matte color to just put right under the brow bone. And I just realized I didn't do my brows yet. We'll fix that after. Normally I do my brows first. Then it says blend spiked cider into crease and blend upwards. So spiked cider is kind of this orangey, like rust brown color. I got this far into it yesterday. I already know this part looks pretty. Okay. I feel like we've sufficiently blended that up, right? Step 3, sweep don't give a fudge into crease. Don't give a fudge is this color. Of course I dropped my brush. Hold on, I'm gonna get a different brush for this. Since this says just sweep it in crease, like just in the crease, I'm using that Morphe brush that I'm now obsessed with. It's a mini version of that last one I used. It's Morphe M506. It's like a teeny crease brush. So don't give a fudge. We're going to be adding some depth, I guess. Right into that crease. I kind of got it on my lid, but I think that's okay for what's coming next. Yeah. I'm going to blend spiked cider up just a little bit more using a fluffier brush. Kind of blending out a little farther. Okay. That don't give a fudge doesn't want to blend really well. All right, now this is my favorite part of how the picture is different. Smudge trimmed into lash line and blend, smudge it into lash line, blend on to lid. This is the picture of what should be smudged and blended. If you were just looking at the picture, wouldn't you think you're just slapping that green all over your eye? But no. So, trimmed is this beautiful metallic green. So this is my Sephora brush that's kind of got a smudgy tip. That's what I use first. And then I just kind of start blending it upwards. We're gonna need to fix that corner. This is probably one of my favorite brushes. Because you can see it's pretty diverse. Okay, so let's be fair. my lid is basically covered in green. That, a little trimmed goes a long way. All right. And once again, this is where it ends the eye. It's like, you're done. And it says, apply Blessed down the nose and cheekbone. So right now I have on no bronzer, no blush, nothing. And I can't imagine going to work with this eye and having no bronzer or blush on. So I'm gonna add bronzer, blush, do my eyebrows. I think you guys have seen 30 days, 30 looks. You've seen me do those things before, so I'm gonna do that. I'll come back. We'll finish off with the highlighter, some mascara, all that, and finish it up. So I will see you in a minute. I look a little more like a person. I'm a little over contoured today. I'll say it. It got a little heavy-handed, but it is what it is. So now, Blessed, hashtag Blessed, with my lovely fluffy brush that I'm obsessed with from Morphe. Just right on that cheekbone. I think you can see it in the light. This one's always hard for me because it has some glitter in it, and this is one of those that makes your pores look bigger if you're not careful. So I'm very light-handed on it, but right down the nose, right there. Lipstick will go on later, but let's finish it off with some Fix Plus. The part of the video I hate editing, watching me go. Okay, and that is it. I'm not gonna add, like I said, full lipstick right now, but I will just give a shout out. My friend got that Clinique Chubby Sticks set at Sephora. I think it's still on sale, and either she didn't want this one or already had this color, so she gave it to me, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. Because as you can see, it looks insanely purple, right? See that? Purple. But it just comes out and just kind of like brightens up your lip. A dot of... I said MAC Fix Plus, did I say MAC Fix Plus? It's All Nighter from Urban Decay. It's morning, guys. I'm still getting there. But anyway, my ADD brain. Clinique Chubby Stick in Voluptuous Violet. I like this a lot. Just so your lips don't look dead. If anyone else has lips that just don't have a ton of color, this just kind of brightens it up until I go put on whatever other lipstick I'm gonna wear. So, liking that. Okay, so out of the 3 Too Faced looks we've done, I think this is the best one so far. I looked ahead at April, and April looks interesting and really pretty, so I'm excited. But that is it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos go up. And leave a comment below if you've watched all 3 looks, which one is your favorite so far. And let's leave a different one too. What's your favorite Too Faced product? You know I use a lot of Too Faced now since they gave me all that stuff. So what's your favorite Too Faced product? Let me know in the comments. Maybe it's something I haven't tried and I'll try out. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.